Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins. And then search with the keyword Malcare. Scroll down and here you can find out the plugin. This one, Malcare WordPress security plugin. Just you can install this plugin. As you can see, 2 lakh plus active installations with 4.9 ratings. So after plugin activation, just we need to go here and add email, then accept terms and conditions, and after that click on submit button. And you will be redirected to app.malcare.com. So this is the plugin website, and here you can see scanning is started. So three layers: ozone layer, cortex, and carbon layer. So it will scan your website in these three sections and layers. And in the first stage, here you can see it will scan firewall settings, bot protection, login protection. In the second stage, that is cortex layer, for the malware scanning, and then vulnerabilities cleaner. And in the last stage, that is carbon layer, so it will scan backup, activity log, and then uptime monitoring. And here you can see these are some premium features that you can only upgrade this plugin and use these. And still here you can see it is analyzing your website, and analyzing and scanning is same thing. So don't get confused about this setting, and now you can get and secure your WordPress website free of cost.